students, in previous class I had proved theorem 7.3. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now I am going to start exercise 7.2. First question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC which AB बराबर AC, the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A to O so that OB is equal to OC and AO bisect angle A. First of all, we draw a triangle ABC. And the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Each other at O. Join A to O. Join A to O so that OB is equal to OC. Triangle is isosceles. A triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Bisectors of angle B and C. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Intersect at O. We have to prove that OB is equal to OC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Angle opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides are equal. Angle B is equal to C. Here 1/2 angle B. 1/2 angle B is equal to 1/2 angle C divided by 2. Divided by 2. Yeah, angle ABO. Yeah, angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. ABO. Now, in triangles AOB and AOC, AB बराबर AC, angle ABO is equal to angle ACO ABO equal to angle ACO from 1 ABO and OA बराबर and OA is equal to OA बराबर OA common sides OA बराबर OA S AB बराबर AC in isosceles triangle ABC and the bisector triangle BC at O join A2 so that OB बराबर AC divided by 2 1 by 2 1 by 3 equal to and then OBC is equal to angle OCB therefore OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Side opposite to equal angles. Fruit. Now in triangles AOB and AOC AB is equal to AC angle ABO is equal to angle ACO OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C here, and OA and OB is equal to OC. From 1, therefore hence triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. AOB is congruent to triangle by SAS criteria. Therefore angle OAB is equal to angle OAC by CPCT. Hence OA bisects angle A. Hence hence OA bisects angle A, proved. In problem number 1, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB बराबर AC, the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other. Join A to O so that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. A triangle ABC in which AB बराबर AC, the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at point O. AO is joined to prove that OB बराबर OC. In triangle ABC, AB बराबर AC, we are given. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Reason, yeah, half angle B is equal to half angle C dividing by 2. Yeah, angle B and angle C are divided by OB and OC bisectors. Therefore, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Half angle B is equal to angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Therefore, OB बराबर OC. Sides opposite to equal triangles. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. We have proved before. So first part of this problem is solved, and in second part, in triangle AOB and AOC, AB बराबर AC given, angle ABO is equal to angle ACO because angle B and C are divided. Yeah, OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and C. So angle ABO is equal to angle ACO and OB is equal to OC. I have just proved in one OB बराबर OC. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC by SAS criteria. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle OAC by CPCT, corresponding angles of side OB and OC. OAB is equal to OAC by CPCT, hence OA bisects angle A. In question number 2, 3, 4 and one more problem I am going to solve. कौन सॉल्व कर दे 2 की 3 4